Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word partisan, its meaning, definition and the example. Partisan. The definition of partisan is a strong supporter of a party, cause, or person. The synonyms of partisan are advocate, exclusive, supporter, factional. Now let me show the example of partisan word in sentences are: the partisan warfare flamed up most fiercely in the latter days of October. Cardiff, rod on by a fiercely partisan crowd, refused to bow. During the war and for years afterwards, partisan feeling ran high. The audience was very partisan, and refused to listen to her speech. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.